Hello. Yes, good afternoon, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. So today's webinar, I want us to look at two instruments. We'll be looking at the Brent oil. At the same time, we'll be looking at the natural gas. We want to see exactly what to expect on these two instruments. So what I'd like to say is we've done a webinar like this before. We're not going to be building on what we've done before, but we are going to just be looking at further things which has happened from where we left it, but we're not going to focus so much on what we've done before. So we load Brent oil on our screen. We have it here. This is the 1 minute time frame. We'll start from the monthly time frame. So you remember what we said some few months ago? We were actually looking for a sell on this chart, but we did mention that there is a level where the price will likely go up to before we can consider looking for a buy position. So that is this level here. It's still containing price above it. So we still have a very good level here. We have a resistance. We have a resistance. There is a break above it. We have a pullback. So as it is right now, you can see that the price at times keeps attempting to break below this level, but it keeps getting back upwards. It keeps trying to break below it, but then it keeps getting back upwards, doing the same thing, getting back upwards, doing the same thing, getting back upwards. So as it is right now, this is a very good place to look for a buy from. This is a very good place I want us to look for a buy position from. We do expect that the buyers will push price from this point up to at least this level here. So if you're on this chart, as we're talking right now, you are supposed to be focusing on buy positions on Brent oil where the price is right now, expecting that the buyers will push us upwards up to this target here. So that's my opinion on that chart. We have a very good buy. We are looking for buy positions, expecting that the buyers will push us back upwards up to the level which I've just mentioned. So it is this level here. It is this level here. So on its way to the upper side, the other level I want us to focus on is this one, this level here. So should the price go up, break above this point, we're going to be expecting it to continue upwards up to the next level, which is this level here. That's on the monthly chart. On the weekly time frame, almost the same thing we have on the weekly time frame is the same thing on the monthly time frame. It's the same thing that we will be expecting to happen on the weekly time frame. We do have a very good range. Here a resistance. If the price should ascend and close above this line, the price should ascend and close above this line here, this upper trend line, then that will be a very good indication that the price will likely be continuing to the upper side back towards this level here. So on this chart, technically we are strictly looking for buy positions, expecting that the buyers will push us upwards up to this target here. If this is broken, the next target we expect the price to go up to is this level here. So that's my opinion on that chart. The next chart which I want us to have a look at, we look at the same chart, sorry, on the daily time frame. We still have almost the same appearance on the daily time frame. We have a very good resistance here. So we have a very good support level here. If the price should continue upwards and break above this line, then I want to see it ascend above this line. It may break above this point here, then continue upwards up to the next level, which is this level here. So the idea on this chart is to keep looking for buy positions after they break above this point, expecting that the buyers will push price upwards up to this point here. My next chart is the natural gas. So the natural gas so far, if you check the monthly time frame, it looks like the price has been crashing massively to the last side. We've seen price continue much lower, more lower than we expected it. So we had a trend line like that. Then we had another one like this. So we mentioned that if the price was to come back and touch this line, this was going to be a very good place to look for a buy from. But for some reasons the price actually just went down and closed below it, even closing below this level here. So as it is right now, as we are speaking right now, the price is in a very good downtrend. So while the price is held below this point, expect that the sellers will push price downwards up to somewhere along this trend line here. So the idea is to keep looking for sell positions as long as the price is held below these two lines. We expect it to continue downwards up to somewhere along this trend line here. So on the other side, should the price break and close above this line, it will be a sign that we are now continuing upwards with the first target here. The next target is this one, and the last one is this one here. So if you're on this chart, should the price break above this line, expect it to continue upwards with the first target here. The next target is this one, and the last one is this one. We also have another target here. So this is also the place where we do expect that the current sell should continue up to, which is this level here. So we do have, we're looking for sell positions after this target on the monthly chart. On the weekly time frame, we have almost the same thing, so there's nothing much that I'm going to add except for the fact that we do have a support here. So we do have a support. This is a very good support on the weekly time frame. If the price should descend and close below it, then we will be expecting the price to continue much lower up to this point here, but I don't recommend a buy even if the price bounces off from this level here. So the other time frame is the daily time frame. We have almost the same thing, so nothing much to be added except for the fact that we may see some buy positions around this point, except that the bars will push us downwards. The bars will push us slightly upwards before eventually we see a break below this point here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of this analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you. Sir, we'll meet again on Wednesday next week at the same time. Thank you.